Thank you so much for joining us on Sakina and Hakim's big day. Let's get a huge round of applause for the bride and groom. Come on,
shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
Are we already rolling?
Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that.
I want to go to sleep very badly.
Body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
It was my neighbor's birthday, and every year that was our official meetup.
For 13 years straight on a close friend of ours, and the first time I saw her, we were very young. I was 16, she was 13.
And Hakeem came that day. I think Hakeem had lost a lot of weight, and you know how they say at a certain point you just end up looking better. And Hakeem, I think, ended up looking better because I always told myself I'm never going to date this guy. I know him since 13 years and I said never. And then that day I saw him and I really thought, okay, you know, he looks quite good. And then, yeah, and then we chilled that night till like 2 a.m.
We've never stopped meeting each other and we've always been together. It's been 3 years now.
And then after that we met every day and we've not stopped meeting ever since. And here we are today.
नमाज पढ़ा कि मैं बल
Let's go, girl. Sakina, you can't see. Look like
Hakeem and Sakina, I love both of y'all and I hope to be the third musketeer forever.
He's the third musketeer and I'm the adopted child.
Yeah.
You can see me now. Okay.
I think Hakeem gives a lot of reassurance and that is love to me. Like his reassurance always. So that's what is very important. And this is the first and last day that I'm complimenting him so much because he knows I never give it. He must be hearing all these words for the first time. I'm sure.
माही में वल पाई जाती पाकर जाती लायस चाहती.
Her childhood memories, yeah, she was very hyperactive, naughty, but overall calm, composed, and has turned out to a beautiful woman today as she's getting married. She has got herself a life partner who's equally supportive, good, and as a son to me, which I always wanted, that whenever I get a son-in-law, has to be like a son and not like a son-in-law.
सब गैर दवे भुलाया मेरे रांझण लगाया
I'll try to love you more than my cat. That's a promise that I can make to you. Other than that, well, good, I guess. No, I think no.
Sakina, I promise that I will really take care of you. I will handle all your nakhras, but please spare me sometimes because just remember you love me too.
रांझण मेले वेड़े आया खेड़ी पैड़ी शोर मचाया आया
I hope your life goes smooth like winds.
Like butter and wind.
Butter and wind and flow in every direction. Smooth and flow in every direction. Happy wedding for you. Both of you, you and Sakina, be a bestest couple in the world. That's our prayers.
Tell me.
आप बचपन से like वो घर में थे. Now the day is your wedding. So the permanently your address will be changed. So what will
I think. Fuck.
What will be the thing
Q-tip. You should get for me.
Guys, I need a Q-tip.
Fuck.
अरे अपना makeup बहुत
I think I'm feeling bad right now because like it's the day. But I think I'll be floating in 2 boats only still because my cat is there, guys. Other than that, it's good. Don't take itna close up because if the makeup is spreading, I'm fucked. Oh.
आप लोग मुंबई नहीं चलो अभी चले जल्दी जाओ और हाथ दुखेंगे प्लीज बेस्ट ऑफ लक
No return to exchange policy. The room is mine and the cupboard is mine.
No, I'm not sharing her cupboard with you, Arva. I've told her to lock it and go.
My fiance is in full takti of taking her cupboard.
So I'm going to lock it and go.
No, you cannot.
No, I've told her to lock it and
She's
go.
not going to. She's going to.
I have told her to lock it.
Congratulations, Sakina and Hakeem. We love you guys.
Love you lots and miss you too for all the nonsense and all the noise pollution that has got created within these 3-4 months. Yeah.
All the best, Hakeem.
To just relax and chill out. मैं 20 मिनट दूर जा रही हूँ 4 घंटे 5 घंटे भी नहीं रिलैक्स फ्लाइट भी नहीं लेनी है ट्रेन भी नहीं लेनी है